So I am at Morris Garage showroom Agra, and today I have this MG Hector Plus for you all. So this is MG Hector Plus and this is MG Hector. So first of all, let me show you MG Hector. So this is MG Hector. As you can see, the front of this MG Hector, which is finished with chrome and silver finish, as you can see, with the design of headlamps. Now I'll be taking you through the product demonstration of MG Hector Plus. So this is MG Hector Plus. As you can see, the grille is quite wide in comparison with the last MG that we just saw, that is Hector, and this is MG Hector Plus. We have a change in the grille design as well as in the headlamps also. So we have cornering fog lamps as well as projector headlamps available in this, with a change in design of this MG Hector Plus. So we have DRLs running DRLs over here, and we have the skid plates at the bottom over here in front, and we have this skid plate also available at the back side also, which is silver in color. We have the camera in front and as well as the two parking sensors. As you can see, these are the parking sensors that are available in this MG Hector Plus. So though this MG Hector Plus is as same as MG Hector, but there are few changes inside this vehicle, as it is a 6-seater now. MG Hector is 5-seater and this MG Hector Plus is a 6-seater. As well as there is a change in dimensions also. The length of this MG Hector Plus has increased because of the change in the front and the back design, because of the changes in the design of bumper at the front and the back. The length of this MG Hector Plus has increased, though the wheelbase of this MG Hector Plus is same. We have the side cladding over here. We have the machined dual tone diamond cut alloy wheels over here, which is of R17. It is 17 inches of rim over here. We have the side silk cladding over here with silver chrome finish over here with the badging of Morris Garage, as you can see. We also have the belt of chrome running from the front to the back side, as you can see over here, which is chrome finish window belt line, which is giving this vehicle a premium look. Now also we have the ORVMs, that is body colored over here, with the floating turn indicators and the camera available over here for the 360 view. As you can see, this is a camera available. So now I'll be taking you inside this vehicle, and over here the door handles, we have the chrome finish, which is giving this vehicle a premium look, as you can expect, because it is too costly. Okay, so I'll be giving you an inside look of this MG Hector, and this is the inside look of this MG Hector, which is quite premium. As you can see, black and brown interior. We have the beige color at the roof. We have over here, we have the silver, we have the leather finish over here with white stitching, as you can see, giving this vehicle a classic look. So the interior look quite classic, as we see from here. Now I'll be sitting inside, but before sitting inside this vehicle, I want to tell you that this driver seat is 6-way adjustable and the co-passenger seat is 4-way adjustable. So you can adjust the seat through these buttons that are given over here for sliding and height adjustment as well. Okay, now I'll be sitting in this vehicle and I'll be taking you through the inside view of this vehicle. So these are the keys that we have of MG Hector Plus. So I'll be starting the video. I'll be keeping this view over here in this console, and let's start. Okay, again second switch. So this is started. This is the music system that we have, 10.4 inches music system, that touch screen we have over here. But before talking about that, let us talk about the cluster meter. As you can see, the cluster meter, it is showing the tire pressure, as well as we have the speedometer and the tachometer available in this, with other information that is displaying, which is digital in nature. The speed is also showing over here. Okay, just last one more thing, let me open the door. Okay, now this door open indicator is also showing over here, because this is digital display over here. Other feature of this MID, we can also use the other features that is available in this MID. So this is the steering wheel that we have, that is telescopic and tilt both. We have the steering mounted controls available in this. We have the cruise control available in this steering, as well as we have the control for music system also. As you can see, the sound and voice free command, voice recognition command is available at this steering, at your steering. So this is very comfortable and convenient feature that is given in this MG Hector Plus. So these steering mounted controls are of good use. There's a silver finish in the steering wheel. The steering wheel is quite comfortable and quite handy. And moving forward, there's a finish of silver in this vehicle, as well as the black piano finish that is available in central console, as you can see on the door handles. Near the door handles also we have the silver finish that is available. Chrome, we have piano black piano finish. We have the leather finish over here, as you can see, giving this vehicle a premium look. So this dashboard, as you can see, so this is only for show. So this leather console that is added to this dashboard is just giving this vehicle a premium look with this black piano finish that is available in this vehicle. This is 10.4 inches. We have infotainment system over here that is available with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with other features also. We can also control the AC, and manual controls for AC are not given, so we can control the AC through this. As you can see, we can start and just okay. This AC is on and this is off, so you can just adjust the AC through this. We have the also other features also. We have music, we have navigations, we have AC temperature, radio. Moving back to the home screen. Okay Hector, sorry, okay MG. So I am talking about the voice recognition, which is because it is a AI, so let me try it once again. Okay MG, okay Hector. So it is a, so MG is over here. Please open the sunroof. So as you can see through this voice command, this sunroof is open. So in this time of social distancing, you can talk to MG. Okay, I'll again try it. Okay MG. So please close the sunroof. Please close the sunroof. Okay, so this sunroof is closing. Though it is an AI, so it takes time to just listen to our voice and to concentrate on our voice. So this is a feature that is through voice control. You can control the sunroof and other features also, because it is internet inside. So this is the central console. We have the aux, we have the power socket available over here. As you can see, we have the black piano finish. We have this at the central console, we have this 360 view camera. As you can see, this is 360 view. Okay, with other features also available. We have, as you can see, this lighting is also available. As you can see, it is all blue over here, and this can be changed also. Okay, we have the armrest over here. This armrest with a spacing available, so we can keep a bottle in this. Okay, so moving forward, we have in the side panel, we have the other features also. As you can see, we have the ORVM, foldable ORVM switch. We have the adjust, we can adjust this ORVM. We have headlight leveler, as well as we can control the brightness of this cluster meter through this switch. Okay, let me see it. Okay, we can control the brightness through this switch. Through this we can open the boot of this vehicle. So we have the power steering, we have the over here we have the switches through which we can control our windows. Okay, this auto switch is only available on the driver side. We have the silver finish. As I talked to you the interior about, the interior, it is black with brown finish in it, with the leather brown finish, as well as the black piano finish and silver finish, giving this vehicle a premium look. So this was the inside view of this MG Hector. We have the traction control over here. We have the hazardous light switch over here. So this was the inside view of MG Hector. Now I'll be taking you through the second row that has been added to this new MG Hector Plus. So this is the second row that has been added to this MG Hector Plus. The captain seats that are added to this MG Hector Plus. We have adjustable headrest over here. As you can see, the adjustable headrest, the adjustable armrest. We have the captain seat. The captain seat, the comfort is quite good because we have the leather seats available in this variant. As you can see, the combination of brown leather and the beige interior, as well as the black dashboard that we have over here. Now I'll be talking about the comfort of this captain seat, and we have a volunteer over here. Okay, now so we have the volunteer over here, thanks to Yash sir over here. So as you can see, the spacing, he's around 5'8", and the head space is quite good, the leg space is quite good. He's sliding the seat a bit. So this is the leg space, as you can see over here. The shoulder room is quite good. As you can see, the headroom is quite good. He is 5'8" around, and still there's lot of space. So this was about the spacing. The second row that has been added to Okay, so that was the second row that we were talking about that has been added to this new MG Hector. The only way we can move to the third row is through from the middle portion only. As you can see, the third row that has been added to this MG Hector. Okay, so the headroom is quite good, the shoulder room is quite good. Though MG is saying that this seat is only for the teenager, we have the AC vent over here, the rear AC vent, which we can adjust over here. As you can see, the airflow we can adjust, and also we have the charging point available for the teenagers over here. The leg space is good enough as I can say. So this is the second row that I was talking about. Though this seat does not sorry, does not bend completely, so we can adjust the seat from the inside. We have a bar at the bottom through which we can slide this seat. We have the piano finish also available over here with the leather finish available. So this is giving this vehicle a premium look. So this was the third seat I was talking about. The headrests are adjustable over here. Though MG is saying that the third row is only for the teenagers, as the spacing is not that good, I would say. Even when I was sitting over there, it was not that comfortable. The lower portion, as you can see, the seat is quite low over here. So this was the interior over here, so that I was talking about. So this was the second and the third row. Now moving forward to this vehicle, we have the fuel tank capacity of 60 liters in this. We have the change at the back. So we have the chrome grille when we talk about the last MG that we have. So we had the red strip over here which was not good, but now we have the chrome grille with the MG logo. The tail lamp has been changed. The styling of the tail lamp has been quite good over here. We have the LED tail lamps with the Hector Plus logo over here. We have internet inside, which is giving the indication that this is a diesel version. We have the 4 parking sensor over here. We have the camera back, reverse parking camera over here. MG Hector, it is written over here. We have one more feature over here that is called let me show you first. This is like you just slide your leg below this bumper and the boot opens. So the boot capacity of this vehicle is 155 liters. We can increase the capacity of vehicle boot space by just lowering the seat. Okay, that this by lowering this and adjusting the third row, we can always increase the boot space over here. But the boot space that is actually available over here is 1.155 liters, which is only good for carrying 2-3 bags, not more than that. But the only feature that has been added to this is a third row and the captain seats that has been added to this vehicle. As you can see, the inside view of this MG Hector Plus. Okay, so I'll just again close it. So let me swipe my leg. Okay, once again. So now it is closing. As you can see, through the swipe of the leg, you can open the boot and you can just close the boot over here. And talking about the safety features, first of all, so the safety features that are available in this MG Hector are ABS, BA. We have driver and passenger side airbag that is available in this MG Hector. Plus we have traction control, vehicle stability control system. We have crash sensor. We have electronic stability control that is available in this MG Hector Plus. We have 3-point seat belt, follow me headlamps, ISOFIX, hill assist, 360 camera. So I told you the camera we have at the front, we have at the ORVMs, we had the camera at the back also. So these are the safety features that are available in this MG Hector Plus. Talking about the length of this MG Hector, so the length of this MG Hector Plus is 4720 millimeter. The width of this MG Hector is 1835 millimeter. The height of this MG Hector is 1760 millimeter. The boot space, as I told you, it is 155 liters of boot space that is available, and we can increase the boot space by folding the third row of this MG Hector Plus. The seating capacity is 6 over here, and the ground clearance of this MG Hector varies from 191 millimeters, that is 191 millimeter to 196 millimeters, according to the petrol and diesel variant. So talking about the variants, this MG Hector is available in 4 variants. That is 1.5 liter turbo petrol manual transmission. We have 1.5 liter turbo petrol DCT. We have 1.5 liter hybrid turbo petrol, and we have 2 liter turbo diesel MT. So this one is 2.0 liter turbo diesel engine that is available with us, which is giving the power of 170 PS and the torque of 350 Newton meter. So this was the length, breadth and height of this and the the dimensions of the vehicle as well as the specification of the engine. So it is available in 6 color, and the price of this MG Hector Plus goes from 13 lakhs 48,000 to 18 lakhs 55,000. So it is quite costly, and the features that we have in this MG Hector Plus are quite nice. So in comparison with the others vehicle also that are available in the market like Creta, Harrier, so